You may be interested to know that your Lincoln has several interior cargo hooks that make securing items in the rear of your vehicle easy and convenient. There are 4 metal tie-downs, 1 in each corner of the rear cargo area, and 2 bag hooks, 1 on each side of the rear cargo area, that can be used to secure either bags or the rear cargo net itself. To use them, simply push the bottom of the bag hook so that it pops out. Then, loop the bag handle over the hook. To attach the cargo net, you'll need to use the bag hooks and the tie-downs just below them. Make sure the bag hook is popped out and pull the tie-down up so that it sticks out. Now, hook the cargo net loop around the top of the bag hook, then hook the bottom net hook onto the metal tie-down. Here are a few more things you might be interested in. Your vehicle also has an umbrella holder on both the driver and passenger sides, between the seat and the door. It will hold a travel size umbrella and keeps you from getting your floor or seat wet. For your convenience, there is also a small slot on the headliner just above the visor on the driver's side that can be used to hold a parking lot or toll ticket. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit LincolnOwner.com.